Dear students, 7.3, this is spelling conditions, page 107 to 109, very important part here. Many make mistakes in spellings. What are the rules? There are certain rules. We are just going to see partly on 10 rules. See, any word ending with E, any word ending with E, for example, use. And if a suffix is added, what do you mean by suffix? Something which you are adding to give a meaning. Vowel, if it starts with vowel, ing, what will happen? The E is removed. So, what will happen? Using. Use plus ed, one E goes off, used. Suppose desire plus ing, desiring. Arrange plus ed, one E goes off. This is the first rule. Any word ending with E, starting and a suffix added which is starting with a vowel, then the E is removed. Use, see, ends with E, adds up with a suffix vowel, then it becomes using, E goes off. The second rule, any word ending with L, any word ending with L and a suffix starting with a vowel, then what it will happen? The L is doubled. For example, signal plus you add ed, what will happen? You have to say signaled. L is doubled. Any word ending with L, if it is starting with a suffix of vowel, this L is doubled. This is the second rule. Third rule, any word ending with double L, if suffix it comes and gets attached to the word, that is the suffix should be ful, then what will happen? 2L, 1L is removed. For example, what? You say will, W-I-L-L. This word ends with double L. If you add ful, it becomes willful. It becomes what? Willful. 1L comes. One other L is removed. So, now here the fourth rule is very important rule. Any word ending with vowel, any word ending with a vowel and it is added with E, a word starting with E, what will happen? The E is removed. This is the fourth rule. What is the fourth rule? It is given, see here. For example, lie, lie. So, you add a one word ing or what will happen? It becomes, sorry sir, it does not. Fourth rule. Okay. Any word ending with vowel, then vowel plus E, for example, what? Lie. This word ends with E, before that a vowel comes and if you add a suffix, what will happen? This E is removed, For example, liar. This word lie ends with E and the suffix, if it is attached, then this E gets removed, liar. The fifth rule, any word ending with IE, if it is added with suffix ing, what will happen? The IE changes into Y. For example, what? Die. Or you can say, sorry, for example, DIE, die, plus ing, this IE changes into Y. So, it becomes dying. So, any word ends with IE, if it is added with ing, this IE is converted into Y. So, dying. The next, sixth rule, consonant plus Y. Any word ending with a consonant. For example, what? Okay, beauty. Ends with a consonant and the final ending should be Y. Then what will happen? The Y is converted into I if it is added with a Dear students, this is the sixth rule. Any word ending with y and before the y a consonant comes, the y is changed into I. Any word ending with y, take a word beauty, ends with y. Before that a consonant is there, t is a consonant. And if a suffix is added, for example ful, then this y is changed into I. For example, what? You can say beautiful, beautiful. So, y is changed into I because if a word ends with a y and before that a consonant comes and if it is added with a suffix, the y is changed into I. Able to understand this? Okay, next. Suppose any word ending with y, rule number 7, any word ending with y, for example, what? Stay. Any word ending with y and before that a vowel comes and if you add a suffix ed, what will happen? Any word ending with a y and before that vowel comes and if it is added with a suffix, what will happen? The word changes into, the word is same, stayed, there is no any changes. So, simple thing. The rule number 6 and 7, any word ending with y before that t comes or consonant comes, if it is added with a suffix, y is changed into I. But any word ends with a y and before that a vowel comes, if it is added with a suffix, the word does not change. Some of the exceptions are there. For example, what? Say. It ends with y, before that a vowel is there, if it is added with a suffix, said, y is changed. Day plus ly, it is changed into ly, daily. The next one, 8th rule, very important rule here. What is the 8th rule says? Suppose any word ends with a consonant and before that there is a vowel. Before that there is a vowel. If suffix is added, for example, est, hot, then this consonant is doubled, hottest. Any word ends with a consonant and before that there is a vowel and suffix is added with, then what will with a vowel, then this consonant is double, hottest. Next, see CE, EI. Any where do you use this word EI? See, in a word EI combines, EI combination comes after C. In a word EI combination comes after C. For example, what? Conceive. Conceive. So, after C, EI you are using, but here suppose if C is not there, then it should change into IE. For example, what? Achieve. Here C is there, so you are using EI. If C is not there, so you are using IE. Able to understand, my dear friends? Here, what is the first rule? Any word ending with E and if it is starting with a suffix, with a vowel, then E gets removed, use plus ing using. Any word with ends with L and starting with a suffix vowel, L is doubled. Any word ending with a double L and if it is added with a suffix ful, then one L gets removed. And any word ends with a vowel and before that a vowel is there, suffix is added, then what will happen? This E gets removed, Then next, IE with ing. So, any word ends with IE and if it is added with a suffix, then IE is changed into Y. For example, DIE, die plus ing, IE is changed into Y. And any words ends with a Y and before that a consonant comes, T is a consonant. If it is added with FUL, then the Y is converted into I, beautiful. And next, any word ends with a Y and before that vowel is there and the word does not change, stayed, it is like that. There are some exceptions, say plus ed, said, exceptions are there. Any word ends with a consonant T and before that a vowel is there, a vowel suffix is added, then this consonant is doubled, for example, hottest. And EI combination, it comes only after C, conceive. IE combination comes if there is C is not there. For example, C is not there before IE. So, it is IE, H, achieve.